Namaste or assalamu alaikum dosto. Today I'm going to try yak for the very first time. I had no idea, but there's yak steaks, there's yak curries, tacos, kebabs, burgers, you name it, you can make it with yak meat. It's apparently a very like ultra lean meat. And these yaks live here in the mountainous regions. So as far as yak's concerned, I've only ever had like yak lassi. That's all I've ever had, and that was when I was in Leh. But anyway, I've got a gang with me today. You got to say hello to Mad Dog. This is Mad Dog from Australia, Western Australia. Say g'day, mate.
Hey guys.
So we're going to get your opinion on the yak as well,
Yak,
okay?
mate, I'm quite excited. I've tried alpaca and all those sort of things in South America, all sorts of weird things in Australia, but I'm excited to try some yak meat.
Kangaroo, right? Kangaroo, alligator, koala?
Camel. No, I haven't tried koala, wombat, echidna.
Oh my God.
Yeah,
okay, we got an expert with us in weird exotic food.
Exotic food, but it's not weird in Australia. It's quite common.
Yeah. Now, so where are we? In front of me, you can see the Pasu cones. And as you can see, this region is just absolutely stunning. This is the old Silk Route, but now it's Karakoram Highway. This is a new highway which will end us in China. The Yak Steakhouse is just 8 kilometers from here, so we're gonna hit those Pasu cones and we're gonna get some yak meat. And I just want to show you this one point here. Look at this. This is called the AC Bridge. And look, you can buy fresh apples here. But this is all coming down from a glacier and it's so nice and cool right here. Really amazing. Look at this. Those are the Pasu cones on the right there. And right in front of us, look at that glacier. Oh my God. Stunning, right? Absolutely stunning. On the mountain behind the glacier. Wow. This is where you get yak, people. Just there. Yep. And here we go. I missed it, but here we go. Yak Grill. Here we are. We're at the Yak Grill. Look at this little spot. It's cute, eh?
Yeah, it is. I almost missed it. I didn't see.
And introduce yourself. आप कौन है?
मैं आना हूँ.
हाँ, she's Dubai wali और कहाँ?
Ahmedabad wali and Lahore wali.
Ah, Ahmedabad. That's right.
Okay.
Did you enjoy?
Yeah, it was fun.
Hi, assalamu alaikum. Assalamu alaikum ji. ठीक है. Hi, assalamu alaikum. कैसे आप? Before we enter the kitchen and start cooking, this is a yak. They roam freely, grazing wherever they like, until the time comes for slaughter. Unlike other livestock, they're built for this environment, thriving in high altitude, freezing climates. They're not just for meat either. Yaks provide milk, fiber for clothing, and even help transport goods. Here, they're turning yak into burgers. You'll find steaks, yak chili, and they say it's slightly sweeter and richer than beef.
ये 4000 मीटर से नीचे नहीं रहता है, altitude रहता है और इसके मीट का कोई साइड इफेक्ट नहीं होता।
अच्छा
जी,
अगर कोई बंदा बीफ नहीं खाता वो याक मीट खा सकता
अच्छा
है। हाँ,
बहुत लीन है ना?
लीन है और कोलेस्ट्रॉल लेवल इसका कम है।
कोलेस्ट्रॉल।
तो अभी आप स्टेक बना रहे हैं?
ये स्टेक पीस है जी।
अच्छा, आप कौन से ज़ुबान बोल सकते हैं?
हमारा लोकल ज़ुबान वही है।
अच्छा,
Similar to Persian.
similar to Persian, really?
ये ज़ुबान अफगानिस्तान, ताजिकिस्तान, सेंट्रल एशिया के डिफरेंट कंट्रीज, चाइना and Russia में बोला जाता है, पाकिस्तान के नॉर्थ।
And so now he's just making the burger patties.
Yes.
He's making them fresh, man. Taze. He's just mixed that meat. I just watched him mixing the meat, and now he's just measuring the patties and, yeah, scaling them out. Turning them into patties. And our potatoes are going in the deep fryer right now. It's all happening here. Now we're just tenderizing the meat there. So they've only put salt and pepper on it. It doesn't need anything else because the flavor is just so great. You don't want to wreck the flavor with spices, right?
Yes.
Beautiful. And so everything's on the grill now. Steak and the burgers. So the kitchen's here, and just see the view out of the kitchen window here. My gosh. And just look up here, look up here. Are you seeing this? Just, I don't know, mind-blowing, this place, mind-blowing. Man, these look good. These look very good. Look at these potatoes. Oh, Karl, these are from the village. Seasoning the veggies. And putting the burgers together. Look at that. Wow. Look at this, look how good it looks.
ठीक है 5 मिनट ही लगेंगे ना
Absolutely amazing, this thing.
Put my camera here and try an end piece. If you told me that was beef, I'd believe it. Juicy, delicious. Look at that. Absolutely amazing.
So this is yak steak. Perfectly medium rare, and let's give it a go. It's chewy. Okay, far more chewy than beef. Tastes like beef, slightly different to beef, slightly different, but if you like beef, you'll like yak as well.
Very good, very good, I think. And the burger is amazing.
Let me try the burger.
So much flavour.
Yeah. The burger's better just because it's softer. The steak is, yeah, like I said, chewy. But it's only 5% fat. Maybe that's why, no? It's very, very lean. Beef is like 15% fat. And is it like any animal in Australia? Anything you've had there?
It's similar to kangaroo because both of them have got very little fat. In fact, if a kangaroo gets caught in a sheep yard overnight, it'll be dead by the morning because it has to eat constantly because it's got no body fat to live on.
Really?
Yeah, and there's so many times. And some people think this is an old wives' tale, but I've seen it happen. The Australian goanna will crawl up the bum chute, sorry, is bad language, and they'll eat the kangaroo from the inside or the cow.
Oh my God.
And you can put a bag near the back end of a kangaroo, a dead kangaroo, and start hitting it with a bit of stick and the goanna will run into the bag. And people say that that's an old wives' tale, but I've seen it happen.
Mad dog. Your stories are mad too, man. Never heard that one before.
Yeah.
Go to Australia, check it out. And if you are here in the mountains, you'll find yak and you'll find yak meat and yak lassi as well.
And I think this is delicious, so it just all depends on taste, I think.
Yeah. No, it is good. Just chewy.